Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Cardano from Gemini and transfer it over to Binance, all set for 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets between exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will make it easy and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Gemini and Binance and that you have some Cardano in your Gemini wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. Cardano transactions typically use the Cardano blockchain, so keep that in mind to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select Cardano from your list of assets. You'll see an option to withdraw. Click on that. Now, before you proceed, head over to Binance. Log into your Binance account, go to your wallet, and find the deposit section for Cardano. Copy the deposit address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip: always verify that the address is for the Cardano network to prevent any lost funds. Back on Gemini, paste that Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to withdraw, but remember to leave room for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Review all the details carefully, double-check the address and amount, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security, so have that ready. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for confirmation. When it's done, hop back to Binance and check your wallet to ensure your Cardano has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always triple-check your steps to avoid mistakes. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.